right, this is the last installment of the Disneyland series that I had from June of 2024 when I went out for a agent education program with Disney Destinations. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this mini series from my Disneyland trip. Starting off the day with some education program in the ballroom with Disney Destinations. Then we went on a room tour, or several room tours, I should say. So I'll throw in some of those during this montage of the morning. And then we're going to transition into some park fun in the afternoon. So come along, let's go ahead and get this vlog started. What a fun morning it was touring all of those great resorts, the Disneyland Hotel. We saw the Grand Californian, and we also got to see the brand new reimagined Pixar Place. So great morning, had so much fun touring all those rooms, some that you never really get to see, like the Aurora Suite that you guys saw. So if you are looking at doing that, just remember, we are travel planners specializing in Disney destinations. And you can reach out to us at thecarpenters@mnmmagicalventures.com or click this QR code here and send us a quote request. We'll get that taken care of for you. But let's continue with the vlog. Next up, we're going to head on over to Disney California Adventure and see the Pixar parade that was going on, the Better Together parade for the Pixar Fest in June of 2024. It is coming back in 2025 as part of Disneyland's 70th anniversary. Super excited for that. So we'll do that parade and then see what other fun we can get into. Let's go on and see what's going on.
It's alright, it's alright, say it's alright, say it's alright. But it's alright, have a good time, 'cause it's alright, oh, it's alright.
We are gonna have a good day, which will turn into a good week, which will turn into a good year, which turns into a good life. Good job. Woo! Let's party! This actually feels kind of obvious. That's what I'm talking about.
You and me, we can do anything. Pretty cool, right?
Just the way we are, yeah, it's you and me. Better together. Silenzio Bruno!
Silenzio Bruno! Seriously, what does that mean?
No idea. Go find out for me, will ya? Just call someone else, ask them to do it.
Okay, contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all because he's around.
And spend my whole life loving you. Life would be a dream, sweetheart.
Take everything off once we're sitting down. Yeah. No. Wait, no. We're good to go. Missing here. Well, that concludes my magical day at the Disneyland Resort, taking in all of the sights and sounds from the park to the ballroom with my education program with Disney Destinations as part of an earmarked agency. We get these opportunities to learn more for our clients, so we greatly appreciate all of our current, former, and if you're looking right now, prospect clients as well. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment below what your favorite part of the day was. Was it the parade? Was it checking out the rooms? Was it seeing Cars Land at night? Definitely a lot of fun things happened. We can't wait to see what comes ahead in the future with Disneyland and all of the great adventures that they are planning and experiences for their 70th anniversary. So thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a great day. And remember, every day is an adventure. And we'll see you in the next one.